here, Jonas from Yacht.
Yeah,
thank you.
Yacht.
When I was living in Portland, I worked at this bookstore called Thunderbirds. I don't know if you know it.
Yes, of course you do.
And my first question would be, is there a book you have never read that you pretended you did?
Moby Dick.
Moby Dick?
Yeah, I read the first 100 pages and then I stopped. But
you said that you did?
Started.
Well, I have an English literature degree, but I never read it in school somehow.
Yeah.
So afterwards I was like, I'm going to read Moby Dick to complete my education. And then I read the first 100 pages and I was like, no. And told people that I think I read it.
So it's kind of a half novel, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's like
A half true. We prefer half true.
700 pages.
Half full. That's half full and it's half true.
Yes.
I know. I haven't. I think I just straight up tell people I've never read a single book, so that makes it easier for me. Yeah.
Radical. Just like, Audible?
Nothing.
No books.
No information.
No.
Nothing.
Television?
I've heard enough. I've seen enough. No, thank you.
Do you like television? Like
Yes.
you watch a lot of television?
Yeah, we do watch a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, but on our own terms, not on like just changing channels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because my next question would be, if you could create a reality show, what would it be? And what would be the name of it?
Okay, the reality show that we would create would be about the film crew on another reality show.
Yes.
So you would see like all these Survivor shows, like Survivor and Naked and Afraid and like Man versus the Wild, all of these shows. It would be just following the film crew, following the subject of the other show. And that's
It's while people are trying to survive in the wilderness. What are the film crew doing?
Yeah. Yeah, of course they get to eat. Yeah, so you get to see the film crew having all of these luxuries while the subject is trying to survive. And we would, it would be called Meta Men.
Meta Men.
Yeah.
Meta Men. Awesome. What is your most favorite memory? Childhood,
Okay.
yesterday, or today,
Most favorite memories.
I have a memory that I really love, but it doesn't include you, and I feel like that's not.
No, please, go for it.
It's the biggest part of my life.
No, oh, that's so sweet. And that is my memory right there. Her saying that just now. That's my favorite memory. Well, no, it's not. Go.
A memory that I love is when I was in school, after I finished school, before I moved back to Portland from Los Angeles, I went on a camping trip with my best friends in the Santa Barbara wilderness, and we swam naked in this creek, and we did watercolors with the water from the creek. We were like sitting in the creek and painting pictures, just open air, easy creek water, eating fruit.
One of my favorite memories is.
Oh, wait,
No.
It's one more bit.
You're killing the minute. Thank you.
No, it's good. You're good. You're good.
What's one more bit?
Yeah.
One more bit is that we were doing all of this, and we were like this bucolic psychedelic thing, and we were very remote. It was hours from it. We had hiked for an hour together. And then in the middle of the memory, in the middle of the moment, a troop of Boy Scouts like trucked briskly through the scene, and we just must have blown their mind. We were like gallivanting naked doing watercolors. Something that I hold very dear. How old were you? How old was I?
Yeah.
I was 19.
19. That's good. That's two good memories.
Yeah.
Like, you kind of make up for this non-memory.
You got one.
Yeah.
No, my memory as a child, one time I wouldn't get out of the car when I was like 4 or 5 years old.
Yeah.
So my parents made a line of Skittles on the ground, like E.T. the movie. So I remember following the Skittles until I was in this new place. We had just moved. So to get me out of the car, I ate Skittles to the door. Yeah, well, fuck you. I'm just kidding.
Okay. Yeah, this is my next question. Have you ever had a disastrous interview? I know you're like giving me some interviews, like both sides, so like something really bad.
That's a great
Yeah, no, there's been some interviews where, yeah, it's been like with a college or something like that, where someone will just be like, oh, well, is there anything else? Like, I don't know.
Is there anything else?
They usually, yeah, it's been like it starts with that. It's with someone like having us do the interview for them.
Yeah.
And that's not even, we're not complaining, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can't even.
There hasn't been a disaster, no.
There's been interviews where we hang on the phone and we're like, my God.
Yeah.
You know, but it's never all. It's never rude. It's usually someone who has no idea who you are.
We're grateful that anyone would ever ask us anything or cared about our opinions.
Boring? Is that bad? Like
Boring is
questions?
bad.
Yeah.
Well, you know what's bad, honestly? It's when people are so afraid and nervous that they can't, you know, they can't even endlessly and apologize constantly for their questions. That's something that we get a lot from like college students. It's like, I'm seeing people probably ask me this all the time, you know, a lot of.
That's so mean to them, though.
No, but it's like
Now watching this, they're gonna be so mad at
be
you.
confident. Trust that you're doing a good job.
Well, you were so nervous with Janelle Monáe.
And I did a good job.
Okay.
Last question. Actually, is there any question you always wanted to get asked but never did? That would like be part of that. Is that?
No, that's fine. That's good. That's good.
And then I have a last one for you.
Okay. Is there any question?
I want someone to ask us about our experience with regional beverages.
Portland here.
No, not Portland.
No, LA.
No, just everywhere else in the world. Just asking us about like our favorite soda pop from every. Yeah. Or just like weird coffee or anything. Just I want more beverage talk.
More
Yeah, we
beverage
eat
talk.
and drunk around the world.
I hope I will see you in the future again, and then we're gonna talk just about beverages for 5
Like
minutes.
North Carolina, Cheerwine.
Cheerwine.
Do you know this?
I had like a.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's interesting that it only exists here. Yeah.
I know, it doesn't exist in Portland. Right, last question. On a scale from 1 to 10, how bitchy would you say you are?
Bitchy?
Yeah. I love it.